Alright, today I'm going to be making ramen noodles with lime, onions, and hot dog meat. Alright, so first thing you're going to need is ramen noodles. I have chicken flavored ramen noodles and the rapid ramen cooker. I'm going to have a lime too for flavor. I have hot dog meat. And then I also have onions, cut red onions down in here. So let's get started. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to open up, move the lime to the side. I'm going to open up the ramen noodles. I'm going to open up the ramen noodles. Alright, I got the ramen noodles open. I'm going to pull out the flavor packet. And this is very important. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to add the flavor packet directly to the rapid ramen cooker. And then I'm going to add the ramen noodles to the bowl. And then there's crunchies left inside, and I'm just going to add those on top. Alright, so once you've done that, you're going to take your hot dog meat and put it to the side, and then you're going to add the onions right here and just put them along the edges of the ramen noodles. All right? Just like that. All right? So you have them onto the side of the ramen noodles. And then you're going to take your hot dog meat and you're going to cut it. And also stuff it along the edges into the side of the ramen noodle. Alright? Do it like that. And when you're done, you're going to take some water and you're going to fill the rapid ramen cooker up to the line. And once it's up to the line, you're going to put it in the microwave for about 4 minutes. Alright, after about 4 minutes, you're going to pull out the rapid ramen cooker. Be careful because it will be hot. You are going to stir up the rapid. Let me zoom in really quick so you can see the rapid ramen noodles. You see the hot dog meat? Alright, stir the ramen noodles. Alright, make sure they're stirred well to get all the juice and the seasoning throughout the hot dog meat. And then you're going to take a lime, and squeeze the lime on top. And that's how you make ramen noodles with hot dog meat and a lime. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot.